Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Surah Al-Hood is chapter number 11 of the Quran. Its revelation number is 52. It was revealed at Makkah. It has 10 sections and 123 ayat verses. Section 2, ayat 9 to ayat 24.
وَلَئِنْ أَذَقْنَا الْإِنسَانَ مِنَّا رَحْمَةً ثُمَّ نَزَعْنَاهَا مِنْهُ إِنَّهُ لَيَئُوسٌ كَفُورٌ.
9. And if we give man the taste of mercy from us and then take it away from him, he is sure to become despairing and ungrateful.
وَلَئِنْ أَذَقْنَاهُ نَعْمَاءَ بَعْدَ ضَرَّاءَ مَسَّتْهُ لَيَقُولَنَّ ذَهَبَ السَّيِّئَاتُ عَنِّي إِنَّهُ لَفَرِحٌ فَخُورٌ.
10. And if we give him the taste of comforts after hardships which had befallen him, he will indeed say, "Gone are the evils from me." He does become jubilant and boastful.
إِلَّا الَّذِينَ صَبَرُوا وَعَمِلُوا الصَّالِحَاتِ أُولَئِكَ لَهُم مَّغْفِرَةٌ وَأَجْرٌ كَبِيرٌ.
11. Save those who patiently persevere and do good deeds. For them there is forgiveness and a great reward.
فَلَعَلَّكَ تَارِكٌ بَعْضَ مَا يُوحَىٰ إِلَيْكَ وَضَائِقٌ بِهِ صَدْرُكَ أَن يَقُولُوا لَوْلَا أُنزِلَ عَلَيْهِ كَنزٌ أَوْ جَاءَ مَعَهُ مَلَكٌ إِنَّمَا أَنتَ نَذِيرٌ وَاللَّهُ عَلَى كُلِّ شَيْءٍ وَكِيلٌ.
12. Maybe that you would leave part of what has been revealed to you and that you would be distressed at heart because they say, "Why has not a treasure been sent down to him or an angel come with him?" You are only a warner and Allah is in charge of everything.
أَمْ يَقُولُونَ افْتَرَاهُ قُلْ فَأْتُوا بِعَشْرِ سُوَرٍ مِثْلِهِ مُفْتَرَيَاتٍ وَادْعُوا مَنِ اسْتَطَعْتُم مِّن دُونِ اللَّهِ إِن كُنتُمْ صَادِقِينَ. 13. Or do they say, "He has invented it"? Say, then bring 10 invented verses, surahs like it, and call for help, whom you can, besides Allah, if you are truthful. فَإِن لَّمْ يَسْتَجِيبُوا لَكُمْ فَاعْلَمُوا أَنَّمَا أُنزِلَ بِعِلْمِ اللَّهِ وَأَن لَّا إِلَٰهَ إِلَّا هُوَ فَهَلْ أَنتُم مُّسْلِمُونَ. 14. So, if they do not answer your challenge, then know that it has been sent down with the knowledge of Allah and there is no one worthy of worship but He. So, will you then be Muslims? من كان يريد الحياة الدنيا وزينتها نوفي إليهم أعمالهم فيها وهم فيها لا يبخسون. 15. To those who desire the life of this world and its glitters, we will repay them for their deeds therein, and nothing out of their deeds will be diminished. أولئك الذين ليس لهم في الآخرة إلا النار وحبط ما صنعوا فيها وباطل ما كانوا يعملون. 16. These are the people for whom there is nothing in the hereafter except the fire, and what they had done in it, that is in the world, is lost, and vain is what they used to do. أَفَمَنْ كَانَ عَلَى بَيِّنَةٍ مِّن رَّبِّهِ وَيَتْلُوهُ شَاهِدٌ مِّنْهُ وَمِن قَبْلِهِ كِتَابُ مُوسَىٰ إِمَامًا وَرَحْمَةً أُولَٰئِكَ يُؤْمِنُونَ بِهِ وَمَن يَكْفُرْ بِهِ مِنَ الْأَحْزَابِ فالنار موعده فلا تك في مرية منه إنه الحق من ربك ولكن أكثر الناس لا يؤمنون. 17. Is he then to be counted as equal to one who relies upon a clear proof from his Rabb, creator and sustainer, and a witness from him, recites it, the Quran, and confirming before it was the book of Moses as a guide and a mercy? They believe in it, the Quran, and as for those who do not believe in it, among the partisans, the fire of hell is their promised place. So you should not be in any doubt about it. Surely it is the truth from your Rabb, creator and
sustainer, but most of the people do not believe in it.
ومن أظلم ممن افترى على الله كذبا أولئك يعرضون على ربهم ويقول الأشهاد هؤلاء الذين كذبوا على ربهم ألا لعنة الله على الظالمين.
18. And who is a greater wrongdoer than he who invents falsehood against Allah? They will be brought before their Rabb, Creator and Sustainer, and witness will speak out. These are they who lied against their Rabb, Creator and Sustainer. Beware, the curse of Allah is upon the wrongdoers.
الذين يصدون عن سبيل الله ويبغونها عوجا وهم بالآخرة هم كافرون.
19. Who hinder others from the path of Allah and seek to make it crooked, and they are the ones who do not believe in the hereafter.
أولئك لم يكونوا معجزين في الأرض وما كان لهم من دون الله من أولياء يضاعف لهم العذاب ما كانوا يستطيعون السمع وما كانوا يبصرون.
20. They are not going to frustrate Allah in the earth, nor have they any protecting friend other than Allah. For them, the punishment will be doubled. They were not able to bear, nor did they see.
أولئك الذين خسروا أنفسهم وضل عنهم ما كانوا يفترون.
21. These are they who have lost their souls, and what they invented has failed them.
لا جرم أنهم في الآخرة هم الأخسرون.
22. No doubt in the hereafter they will be the greatest losers.
إن الذين آمنوا وعملوا الصالحات وأخبتوا إلى ربهم أولئك أصحاب الجنة هم فيها خالدون.
23. But surely those who believed and did good deeds and humbled themselves before their Rabb, Creator and Sustainer, they are the inmates of paradise, and they shall live therein forever.
مثل الفريقين كالأعمى والأصم والبصير والسميع هل يستويان مثلا أفلا تذكرون.
24. The likeness of the two parties is like the one blind and deaf, and like the others who can see and hear. Are the two equal in likeness? Will you not then learn? Synopsis of Section 2, Ayat 9 to Ayat 24. In this section, the mentality of man was highlighted. With a little trouble, he starts forgetting and becomes ungrateful for the countless favors and gifts of Allah the Almighty. Then, when peace and relief are attained after this calamity, pride and arrogance arise, and he forgets his earlier state and he begins boasting. Both of these qualities are disliked by Allah Almighty, but those who are steadfast and do righteous deeds are not like this. They remain steadfast and grateful to Allah in all circumstances. Such people were given the glad tidings of forgiveness and a great reward. The Messenger of Allah, peace and blessings of Allah be upon him, was then told to take consolation, not to be disheartened by the idle talk of the disbelievers, and to leave the matter to Allah. In response to the disbelievers' objection that the Quran was composed by the Prophet, peace and blessings of Allah be upon him, the reply was given, if this is a human speech, then you too should compose 10 surahs like it. Do not do it alone, but call upon whoever you can besides Allah to help you. And if you cannot do so, then be certain that this Quran has been revealed by Allah Almighty. The disbelievers who sought only worldly gain were told that their reward for their deeds would be confined to this world, and in the hereafter there would be nothing for them except hell. They were instructed not to doubt that the Quran is from Allah. Indeed, those who forged ties against Allah were declared the most unjust of people. Such wrongdoers were warned of Allah's curse of double punishment in the hereafter, and that they would be the greatest losers. In contrast, those who believe, do righteous deeds, and remain steadfast in their hearts towards their Lord will be the companions of paradise in the hereafter. I am Dr. Junaid Ahmed. Please subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon. Thank you.